six methods to make 500 to $2,000 every single day. Okay, so this six method is related to each other. You can use one method or you can use all methods to make money. Okay, so now first just go to a2wizard.com. Okay, so once you go to a2wizard, you'll be redirected to this link. Okay, so now this link can change, but just for your to be sure that you reach the correct website, go to a2wizard.com. Okay, now first step is we'll be making money using this email extractor software. Okay, so in order to get this email extractor, you just have to go and click on this link. Okay, so what you have to do is get the email extractor and get the email verifier and get the bulk email sender. Okay, so now it has a package where you can go and get everything under one roof. Okay, so please use credit card or PayPal only. Okay, so while purchasing this this software, now you'll get an email extractor, email verifier, list manager, email sender, email logger, and Whois Explorer. Okay, now this cost $229. It's one-time payment, but it's worth it. Okay, so what we'll be doing is you'll get this software. This looks like this, and you just have to go and okay, you'll get a software like this. Okay, so where you can go and extract thousands of emails in a matter of few seconds. Okay, so because once you go and click this, you'll get highly targeted email addresses of people who are interested in work at home. Okay, so you can see out here I inserted the keyword work at home, and just give it some time for it to load, and you'll start getting emails like this. Okay, you'll get thousands of emails like this. Okay, so you just have to extract these emails, and later you can verify these emails, and you can also send bulk emails, okay, promoting any offer. Okay, whether you want to promote ClickBank offers, whether you want to promote Digistore24 offers, whether you have your own product to sell, you can verify all these extracted emails, and after you verify these emails, you can also sell it on Fiverr.com. Okay, so because people are always looking for leads. Okay, so you can if you just go and search in Facebook for lead generation, you'll get a lot of offers. Everyone need leads for their business. Okay, so you can sell leads according to the niche. Okay, so you can find beauty niche, you can find emails on beauty niche, you can find emails on gadget niche, clothing niche, fashion niche. Okay, so there are lots of offers out here. Okay, so once you click this verify button, what will happen is that it will take some time for it to load the verification tool, and it removes all the duplicate emails, and it will remove all the fake emails, and it will clean your list. Okay, so okay, I'll just do it once more. Okay, so verify extracted emails. Okay, so no worries. Okay, so I'm 100% sure that it will open out right here. Okay, so you can see that 3600 emails has already been extracted. Okay, now look at it. Okay, so do you want to remove the duplicate emails? Yes. Okay, so we just remove the duplicate emails, and we have to click the start button for the verification to start, but I'll just set it as valid for this video, because I want to show another feature of this software is that it also has a mail sender where you can send bulk emails. Okay, so you do not need a separate email sender. Okay, because the software has its own email extractor, it has its own email verify tool, and it has its own email sender. Okay, so it also has a list manager which you will use once you start running campaigns. Okay, so and now let's wait for the email sender, so that I'll show you what how it looks like, so that you know how to use it. And the main method I want to teach is you have to extract emails, you have to verify those emails, you can sell those verified emails on Fiverr.com, or you can go and promote any offer. Okay, you can send bulk emails. Okay, so just go right here, just select this, delete it. Okay, now all you have to do is write the subject line and email out here, and click send button, or you can also schedule it. Okay, so all the recipients which we just extracted, those emails are already in the software which you can go. Okay, now this software also has an SMTP server inbuilt. You do not have to look for SMTP wizard or SMTP server. It is also good for checking spam. Okay, so your emails should reach the inbox of people. Okay, so it should not go to the spam folder. So this software also has a spam checker. It also has a tracker to track your clicks, etc. Okay, so now this is the first method to make money online. Okay, so you can easily make good money out here. Now people ask me what are the how to write emails. Okay, how to write email swipes. I do not know how to write emails. I'm bad at writing cold emails, and I do not know how to make funnels, etc. For that, this second step is very useful. Okay, so get high converting email swipes done for you, funnels, and 100% commission. That means you'll get 100% commission for products you promote. You'll get a done for you viral funnel, which is getting a lot of good conversion, and you'll get high converting email swipes. Okay, so once you click here, you'll be taken to this page. Now you can use the email, you can use the viral funnel and zero cost traffic strategies to bank great affiliate commissions. Okay, so this is one very good method to go and save your time. Okay, you do not have to write your emails, you do not have to make funnels. All the traffic getting method is also taught. Okay, it costs $12.95, but I want you guys on and get the upgrades of this offer, because you continue to, if you want to continue getting more and more emails. Okay, so you want to go and upgrade to another package. Okay, so this is something that I want you guys to highly it's a highly recommended product. Okay, because all this funnel, this main part is this viral funnel. Okay, it's already done for you. Okay, and this emails. Okay, and plus you'll get 100% commission. Okay, so if you need to upgrade for that. Okay, so I'm telling you beforehand. Okay, so now this is one way to make money online. This is second way to make money online is you extract emails and promote these offers. Okay, these emails. Okay, so the emails will be done for you. The viral funnel will promote this viral funnel. Now you can, so this is step one, this is step two. Actually you can make money with using only step one. Okay, promoting any offer, and you can also make money individually using this step two also. Okay, now step three is optional but recommended. Okay, now if you want to find now this done for you funnel and offer finding, these are all digital products. Okay, now if you want to sell physical products, which get a lot of sales. Okay, so if you want that, go to this third step. Okay, so what is it all about? Okay, it's about tick sale. Okay, so what it cost you $127 one time. Actually it was $47 per month. Sorry about the truck that just passed by. Okay, this is $47 per month. Okay, but right now they have a offer where you can get this software for $127. Okay, you can generate content, you can generate image, you can find sponsored ads, you can find winning ads, you can find new products that are getting a lot of sales. All this keyword research, comparing keywords on Etsy, everything is there. Okay, and this winning products from Facebook. Okay, all you have to do is just copy paste this to your ads account, and you can make good money using this. Okay, so I'll just give you a sneak peek on what it is all about. Okay, so you can see that you can select all the categories and days. Okay, newly you can just go and see what are the ads that are getting good engagement. Okay, you can also sneak on landing page, what kind of landing page they are making. Okay, so now these are, remember, this is ads that are shown on TikTok, but this winning ad campaign is what that is. Winning ad means that this ad has been running for a long time, and this is the ad that you have to copy and use for your own campaign so that you can make money instantly. Okay, so winning ads is the power of the software. Comes with this winning ads, and you can also find new products that are getting a lot of traction, and this thing is very important if you want to make good money. Okay, so if you want products that sells. Okay, so if you want that winning ads. Okay, so who wouldn't buy this? Okay, so if you have that winning ad, if you can just go and copy the landing page, everything. Okay, the copy, you'll also get where to find the products to promote, and you'll get from where to buy those products for less and sell it for high. Okay, actually I'll just show one. Okay, actually I'm not allowed to show you guys, but it's okay. Okay, so let's go to this winning products. Okay, so I'll just show you some of the winning products out here. let it load. Okay, so you can also find it by category according to your niche. So if you click this license to print button out here, give it some time to load. Okay, so now you can see the it was posted 4 hours ago. Okay, so now you can see the selling price, and the product cost only this much. The profit margin is also given, the post copy is also given. Okay, so you can see the profits, the analytics. Okay, the source is they have bought the product from AliExpress. Okay, and yeah, votes, reviews, engagement. Okay, so you can see all this. You know where to buy those product for cheap and sell it for high product. Okay, and all those targeting is also taken out. Okay, so you have to target on USA, interest is also there, gender, age group, audience size, everything is given for you. Okay, so it's just like copy pasting and making money. Okay, so this is another way to make money. Now next way to get help is you can chat with me. Okay, so if you need any help, if you have any questions, I love helping people. Okay, so just go to your business wizard and you can see me out here, and you can see you just have to click this message button and you can talk to me. Okay, so I'll reply personally to every messages that I get. Okay, so you can do that also. Okay, so if you need any help, if you have any questions regarding these offers or regarding these offers, if you want to know what are the best ways to make money, what are the products that I'm promoting, what I'm doing right now, what you should do, everything. Okay, so you can just go and of course follow me also. Okay, so follow me on your business wizard. Okay, and there are also some good ways to make money online. Okay, so other than this is my favorite method. Okay, start a business for $9. You can clone the 6-figure income system. Okay, so in order to go you have to watch this video. Okay, so if you click this video, you'll be taken to this page. A free video reveals, okay, how anyone can clone a 7-figure online business from home and start making this much amount per year. Okay, so just go and click this button and watch Jonathan Montoya. Okay, so he's one of the top athletes who is a business owner. Okay, so he's the guy that can make you good amount of money. Okay, so this is very serious business, and once you go and start with $9, actually you have to pay for $9 for one upgrade, where that is very useful. Okay, so it's an entire affiliate marketing training. Okay, so if you join this, okay, so this will be your best best investment ever. Okay, because I know Jonathan Montoya, and he's the one of the top 10 affiliates in this marketing world. Okay, so if you want, please, if you want to copy his system, okay, so he'll give his ebook to you. You can sell his product as your own and you can make good money. Okay, so you can just clone his, actually it's not 6-figure, it's 7-figure income, and just watch that video and you'll know more about it. Okay, so now this is another way to make money. Okay, now next thing is, if you are interested in making money through YouTube Shorts. Okay, so I know YouTube Shorts is right now, it's trending very it's on the top. Okay, so if you want to go and get this ebook, okay, so you can get it for $15. Now this book is written by Brian. Actually I worked on this method, and this guy also put my name out here. Okay, so this is very easy method. Okay, so which this Brian teaches me is teaches everyone. Okay, so he has a guide, and there are some success stories out here. I myself have tried it, and I messaged him personally for him to thanking him. Okay, it just costs $15, and his guide is very easy. Okay, so if you are on a budget, you want to start somewhere, if you want to start low, you can just go with this $15 product. Okay, it has no upsells or anything like that, so it's just $15. Okay, so you can also start here. Okay, everyone has to start somewhere. Okay, so if you have a budget of $9, start here. If you have a budget of $15, start here. If you have a budget of $127, go here. If you have a budget of at least $50, go here, because $12, and you need also there's also an upsell out here. Okay, now if you have a budget of $209, this is one of the best softwares. Okay, so, and last but not the least, let's go with this one. Okay, so this is the free bonus link, rapid profit machine, makes 6-figure income. You love this. Okay, so why I'm telling you love this is that, okay, so all you have to do is go and watch this video. Okay, so you'll know everything about this program. Okay, so this is something that I want you guys to go. This is the bonus link for you. Okay, so it's free to watch. Go and watch this video and you'll know what you will get. Okay, so this is the RPN system that I want you guys to go and get. Okay, so now this is the way lot of people get traffic. Okay, so people try hard. Okay, they go and extract emails and send bulk emails to get traffic. Okay, so getting traffic, you need to work. Okay, you need to work, but with this system you'll get all those clicks. Okay, so you just have to buy the good quality traffic and you just have to buy and see the results. Okay, so suppose you buy 100 clicks for, let's say, $100. Okay, so the 100, with that 100 clicks you'll get 20 people under, let's say not 20, at least 40 people under your email list. Okay, so once you get 40 people under your email list, they'll buy, you'll start sending emails continuously. Okay, so in the long run you'll make very good amount. It's like snowball effect. Okay, the more traffic you buy, the more people come under your email list and the money is on the list. Okay, so everything, I think this is one system. If you are a lazy person, if you do not want to try all things, okay, so but you want to make money, so you can go with this last offer. Okay, so now I've shown you 1 2 3, let's see, 4 5 6 methods. Okay, so 6 methods to make money online, and with, if you just follow any one of this method, okay, you can easily make $500 to $2,000 per day with this method. Okay, so because every method is unique and every method can make you good amount of money. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. To go and all the links of this all these methods I've shown, it's on a2wizard.com. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and comment on my videos. And if you need any help, okay, so you do not have to buy this product. If you just need help, okay, you do not know how to create a domain, you do not know how to make a domain, you do not know how to buy a domain, you do not know about hosting, whatever you want, you can just chat with me. Okay, I'm here to help you guys. If you need any help related to marketing or making money online, or whatever questions or queries or whatever, okay, so whatever you want to, if you just want to say hello, you can just come here and just talk to me. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.